The only place that will do the alignment on the S12 is a custom performance shop, so I have to wait a week. I have an appointment with them. So the car's kind of sitting until then. That sucks. And then I got the engine block back, and homie is gonna come over tomorrow and help me assemble the bottom end now that I got it back from the block, from the engine shop. They did the timing cover, they spun the crank, they checked everything on the block, everything looks good. They honed the cylinders, flattened the deck without taking too much off, and checked the center bore. Everything looked good, so we'll put that together tomorrow. I made a discovery. The D21 Hardbodies, the speedometer cables are exactly the same. So S12 guys, just so you know, they're pretty much exactly the same. I mean, manufacturers make the thing differently, but the same thread pitch and the same length, which is the same. This car was crying in the fucking driveway, so I had to do something about it. Sorry for being all sappy in the videos recently.
This big. It looked giant, right? The crankcase.
That's a really good idea.
That was thick. I like it.
That's a lot smoother, dude.
It's way smoother.
It is way smoother. It's still kind of tight, but this makes way more sense.
It's way smoother.
That is way smoother.
It doesn't catch.
Yeah, dude. So it is supposed to be pretty tight.
Yeah.
Well, people, take your goddamn shit to the freaking machine shops. Like smart people, don't be an idiot like me and think you can just do shit you don't understand or know how to do. We didn't use a plastic gauge on this bottom end, so who knows? Thank you, Chris. This is sick. So far, so good.
Hell yeah.